Alright, so we all heard the drama about the Bybit hack. Let's see what the latest news is. And literally, this is within 24 hours of the hack, which is even more wild. How fast this stuff can happen. But this article right here from Cointelegraph, Bybit hack withdrawals tops $5.3 billion, but reserves exceed liabilities. So that is a positive, but wow, Bybit handled $5.3 billion in withdrawals. That is insane. So what we're going to be covering a lot more in this video, not only is the current news about Bybit, how everything's going along, we're also going to look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is the token that was stolen. And yeah, apparently it was by the Lazarus, I don't know how to say their name, but some group out in North Korea, and they believe they found the person who it was. So we're not only going to read through this article that was written by Cointelegraph, we're also going to be looking at X, some of the posts that are popping up. There are some rumors. There are also some other things that have popped up showing liquidity's restored and everything, and it's a wild ride. But then we're also going to finish it up with a little bit of technical analysis on Ethereum, because this is absolutely insane, and in my opinion, we just sparked a brand new bull run with this popping up. I know, weird thought, but here we go. We're gonna dive into this one. Cryptocurrency exchange Bybit has maintained reserves exceeding its liabilities despite suffering a $1.4 billion hack and overall $5.3 billion decline in total assets, according to DeFi Llama data. The February 21st hack marked the largest crypto theft in history, with attackers stealing more than $1.4 billion in liquid staked Ether. So this was liquid staked? Oh boy. Alright, Mantle staked ETH, ETH, and other ERC20 tokens. Since the incident, the value of Bybit's total assets has fallen by over $5.3 billion, including the $1.4 billion loss to the hack on DeFi Llama's data shows. So that is absolutely insane, but the best part about it, they're still alive. They're still kicking. So I think we're gonna be okay. But Bybit exchange hacked for $1.4 billion in ETH, related token drain. So I think this is gonna go into everything that was taken. Cryptocurrency exchange Bybit was hacked for $1.4 billion in liquid staked Ether, Mantle staked ETH, and other ERC20 tokens, according to on-chain security analyst Zach XBT, who spotted the incident shortly after it occurred. Wow, are people just focused in on this stuff? They probably are. But following the exploit, the on-chain sleuth warned users to backlist addresses associated with the hack. The North Korean hacker organization Lazarus Group was spotted behind the hack. Bybit's co-founder and CEO Ben Zhao confirmed the incident and provided an update on the security breach. Zhao confirmed that the transfer was made from the exchange's multi-sig wallet, ooh, that's not good, to a warm wallet approximately 1 hour prior. The CEO said specific transaction was masked to appear legitimate, but continued malicious source code designed to alter the smart contract logic of the wallet and siphon funds, Zhao reassured customers. So he did make an entire video about this. You guys can find it on X. It's pretty easy to find. It's floating everywhere. But yeah, that was absolutely insane. So right here, cryptocurrency exchange Bybit has maintained reserves exceeding its liabilities despite suffering all of that, like we just read. Stealing $1.4 billion liquid. Okay, since the incident, total value dropped. Great, awesome. Wow, what a sharp decline. So you can see it had its reserves just fluctuating here. Then you see the sharp fall off. That is wild. That is wild. Anyways, Is this all that we need to read right now? Bybit processed more than 350,000 withdrawal requests within 10 hours, completing 99.9% of them at 1:45 a.m. UTC. Bybit's co-founder and CEO Ben Zhao said in a February 22nd X post. Wow, that is actually amazing. This is how an OG exchange operates right here. That is wild. Quoted here, although we have been hit by the worst hack possibly in history of any medians, banks, crypto finance, but all Bybit functions and product remain functional. The whole team had been awake all night to process and answer client questions and concerns, Zhao wrote. You know what? Gotta say, with that, hats off on how they handled it. Hats off. That is beautiful. Wow. Anyways, crypto industry leaders and exchanges rushed to assist Bybit with emergency transfers, including 50,000 Ether from Binance, 40,000 Ether from BitGet, and 10,000 Ether from Dujun? I don't know how to say that. Co-founder of HTX Group, among others. That is a lot. So we had the crypto community band together and start dumping Ethereum into Bybit. That's actually fantastic. That's really nice. That's really nice of them, because they could have just let that ship sail and drop and die and sent us into a new bear market. That's really what would have happened. So this is great. The collective holds strong. So that is this article. I will link this in the description down below so you guys can read all this for yourself. I feel like the Hooked on Phonics is finally starting to pay off, so I appreciate the views, all 40 of you. Anyways, going into the X posts that have been popping up, so there's a rumor right now Bybit is currently buying back the $1.5 billion in Ethereum to cover up the hack. If true, that is kind of amazing. Here's another tweet that popped up. It's Bybit's buying back ETH now. Bybit wallet received 100 million in USDT and transferred 50 million to each Galaxy Digital and Falcon X, purchasing 36,900 ETH and deposit it back into Bybit. That is phenomenal. I guess people want to jump in and talk about how Trump owns over $500 million worth of Ethereum, so that's kind of cool. But let's get to what I was seeing before. That's Ondo. Bybit. Oh, here's one. The Bybit hackers have burned $42 million worth of CM ETH. So I guess it's one of the liquid staked ETH, but they have burnt like $42 million worth of Ethereum. That is wild. Bybit spent 100 million on USDT to buy that much ETH, 2,711 each via OTC from Galaxy Digital and Falcon X. 100 million done, 1.3 billion to go. So, yeah, they got some room to go up here. Then, according to Cryptos R Us, great channel, by the way, you guys should go check him out, give him a follow. I've been following him religiously for years. But anyways, North Korea's Lazarus Group is utilizing Chain Flip to convert stolen Ethereum into BTC, which jerks. Anyways, Chain Flip is limited some front end services and is working towards a more permanent solution. Over 1.1 million worth of Ethereum has already been converted into Bitcoin, so that's kind of rough. There's also another thing I saw, that now North Korea, after this hack, they are the 14th largest Ethereum holder, which kind of crazy. But anyways, Bybit just bought, so yeah, them buying a really big thing. CZ coming out giving some praise, says that the Bybit CEO handled the crisis well, showing transparency and calmness, unlike Wazirx and FTX Chaos. So those were the previous exchanges that collapsed and It wasn't good. It really wasn't good. Let's go ahead and check out this one right here. This is actually the biggest one. So, BitGet CEO says Bybit liquidity is 100% restored. Amazing achievement. So, it's not even the CEO of Bybit saying it, it is the CEO of BitGet. So, yeah, I guess they're fully restored so we can avert the chaos and mayhem and scared. But anyways, let's get into the TA right now. This is kind of a really big deal because, yes, it was the biggest hack in crypto's history. How's the market reacting? Well, Ethereum is up 4.5%. Yesterday, during the hack, Ethereum only dropped 2.74% on the day. On the day. That's all it did. That's it. It wasn't a big deal. Everybody was freaking out as if it was the end of the world. It was a 6.3% swing. Don't get me wrong. That is hundreds of millions of dollars that was lost on Ethereum, but we are bullishly engulfing today. So this right here is giving me a very, and I mean very, strong sign telling me, oh, we are in the next leg of the bull market. We are about to see prices go up like crazy, most likely for the next 3 months, because I have this running thought. We have been selling off for January and most of February. We might have a bullish week next week, but understand there will be tons of volatility because of futures trading. But for us to get news of the biggest hack in crypto history, and we're bullishly engulfing candle the next day, we didn't sell off, that should be just ringing the alarm bells off in every bullish person in this market. Right now for Ethereum, based off of its current movements, I am looking for this thing to get up to $3,403, a 22.39% rise. And I am saying this after the largest hack in history. Absolutely nuts. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing out of the chart. The chart looks absolutely amazing. Most altcoins have been absolutely devastated. So I have this feeling, if you want to make some summer vacation money, now's the time to be in this market. If you want to be in and understand what's going on, keep up to date, like and subscribe to this video, to this channel. Subscribe. Do that. Yeah, I know I messed up that delivery, but whatever. You get it. I do go live every single day going over technical analysis where you can find great entries, great areas to take profit, because let's face it, there are some of you out there that decided to round trip. You rode it all the way up, you didn't take any profits, and now you're praying it goes up again. How about next time we start talking about, hey, here's a great area to take some profits. Just a thought, you know, because I won't give financial advice, but I will tell you what I see on the chart. And based off those charts, they give you some really good insight on places to take profits or even jump in. So a lot of altcoins are in that area in which you should have been accumulating for the last month straight, just like my team and group here have been doing. And yeah, we have a free Discord. You guys can join in there. You guys can be a part of all the banter, see what trade setups I post up, see what random news is popping up all the time, because I post literally everything that I find in the crypto space, including brand new projects that are popping up, as well as meme coins when I feel like the meme coin season is coming. But noted. One thing I will say all the time, take your profits, because if you don't take profits, it's very hard to have some dry powder to buy the dip. Anyways, I hope this video helps you out in some type of way. Maybe it even calmed your nerves. If you did enjoy, please do me a huge favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, maybe catch a live stream, and maybe I'll see you inside of Discord. If you need an exchange where you can actually facilitate trading, then you can actually use one of our affiliated exchanges. We have BuyDefi and Weeks. One really cool thing that we do have going on BuyDefi at the moment is copy trading. So I am in whatever the name is they gave over there, but I'm one of the traders. You can look me up. It's Porky F65, and it has my logo. So if you guys want a opportunity at the copy trading shared profits thing because you're not ready for the world of trading, go make a buy DeFi account, fund your copy trading account, and then yeah, you can follow me in there. I'm being very cautious with those copy trades because I've managed to get burned in the past, and then I feel bad because I lost some people some money. Full transparency, but only put in there what you're willing to lose, of course. But other than that, I'm probably on weeks. I'm probably going to refund my copy trading account in there as well. Anyways, that's besides the point. The thing about those two exchanges, there's no VPN required. There's no KYC. You guys can go in there, you can trade, you can get the sign-on bonuses. It's absolutely amazing. So feel free to check those links in the description down below. Other than that, hopefully I see you in a live stream. I'll catch you later. Take it easy. Maybe get a little bullish. That's up to you.